Cooking up clarity, understanding, cook until opaque. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking recipes, cook until opaque. This phrase is especially prevalent in recipes involving seafood. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive into the world of culinary language and make this term crystal clear for all English language learners out there. Cook until opaque might sound a bit technical at first, but it's actually quite simple when broken down. The word cook here means to prepare food by applying heat. The key word in this phrase is opaque, which refers to a state where an object is not transparent or see-through. When applied to cooking, it means cooking the food until it can no longer be seen through. Different foods reach opacity at different stages. For example, seafood, shrimp, scallops, and fish turn from a translucent, slightly see-through, raw state to an opaque, solid and not see-through state when properly cooked. It's a visual clue that they are ready to eat. Eggs. Eggs change from a clear, runny liquid to a white, firm state when cooked. This change in appearance indicates they've reached the opaque stage. Cooking until opaque is not just about achieving the right appearance. It's also about ensuring food safety and optimal texture. Undercooking can lead to foodborne illnesses, especially in seafood, while overcooking can result in a rubbery, unpleasant texture. This phrase is a simple guideline to reach the perfect cooking point. Here are some tips to ensure you cook your food to the right level of opacity. Use your eyes. The change to opaque is a visual cue. Keep an eye on the color and texture. Be patient. Some foods change color gradually. Don't rush. Let the heat do its work. Don't overcook. Once the food is opaque, it's often ready. Overcooking can ruin the texture. Cook until opaque is more than just a phrase. It's a crucial guideline in cooking that ensures delicious and safe meals. We hope this video has shed light on what it means and how you can apply it in your culinary adventures. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.